Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a simple yet delicious pasta recipe that's made with mushrooms and spinach. You can use any pasta to make this recipe. Without wasting any further time, let's get right into it. To cook the pasta, here I have taken 5 cups of water and I have added some salt. Give it a quick mix and let it come to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, add 2 cups of Fussili pasta. Mix it well. You're going to cook the pasta on a medium-high flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you'll notice that the pasta has become soft, so go ahead and switch off the flame. Strain the pasta. It's well cooked, let's keep it on the side. In a separate pot, add about 4 to 5 teaspoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add 3 to 4 garlic cloves and I have chopped them finely. Fry them well to a nice golden color. The flame is on the medium. Garlic is fried well. Now add about 400 grams of mushrooms and I have chopped the mushrooms into medium small pieces. Mix everything well for few seconds. Cover and cook it on a medium-high flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you'll notice that the mushrooms have released a lot of water, so give it a quick mix. Mushrooms don't take a lot of time to cook, so you notice that they have already become soft and have shrinked quite a bit. We are going to cook without the lid for 3 to 4 minutes. Once that extra water is evaporated, add about 200 grams of spinach and mix it well. As you mix it, the spinach starts to become soft. Spinach too doesn't need a lot of time to cook. Grind 2 small tomatoes in a grinder to make a fresh puree. Add this freshly made tomato puree to the cooked vegetables. Give it a good mix. Scrape from all sides and we're going to let it cook without the lid for another 5 to 7 minutes. As you cook it, make sure to give it a mix every now and then, so after about 5 to 7 minutes, give it a quick stir and add some salt. Now let's start adding some other spices. Here I have some Italian seasoning, so add that. Some red pepper flakes. These are optional. If you don't like spicy, you can avoid them. Some black pepper powder and give everything a good mix. We are going to make the white sauce, and for that in a pan add about 5 to 6 teaspoons of oil. Once hot, add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and fry it well. The flour is well roasted. Now let's start adding milk little by little to make a nice and thick gravy. Here I am using 2 cups of milk to make the white sauce. I have to stir it continuously without stopping, so make sure that you are breaking all those lumps that may have formed. And here you can notice that the sauce has started to become thick. Now let's start adding some cheeses. So 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of Mozarella cheese, 1/4 cup of yellow cheese, and give everything a good mix. The flame is on medium-low. Keep stirring continuously till all the cheeses have melted well, and notice that now the consistency has become amazing, nice and thick. Your white sauce is ready. Now add this sauce to the cooked vegetables. This white sauce is extremely tempting and so delicious. Give everything a good mix. Make sure that the white sauce and the vegetables are mixed well. Now add the cooked pasta. Give everything a really good mix. Make sure that the pasta is well coated with the vegetables and white sauce mixture. The simple yet delicious mushroom spinach pasta is ready. Let's serve it. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese if you like, and if you are a spicy lover, you can also add some extra red pepper flakes. you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.